Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we will talk about the multiplication and division of the fractions. So whatever you are having two fractions or more than two fractions, you have to use the same way to multiply the fractions. Okay. So first of all we will see what are the rules to multiply the fractions. So first rule is what? Any denominator and numerator can be cut. That means what? Suppose you are having two fractions. I am taking two fractions. So first fraction is in the form of numerator by denominator, and second fraction also will be in the form of numerator by denominator. Now this denominator can be cut with this numerator, and this numerator can be cut this numerator also. Okay. Now this numerator can be cut with this denominator, and this numerator can be cut also this denominator. Okay. And for this numerator also same thing. Okay. That means what are the, that means how you can cut the numbers? You can cut the numbers diagonally. You can cut the numbers diagonally. That means diagonally means like this, in cross way, like this way. This denominator with this denominator, or this denominator with this denominator. Okay. Now if you want to cut with numerator, this numerator can be cut with this denominator, and this numerator can be cut with this denominator also. Okay. That means this one or this one. Okay. Either this one or this one, or this one or this one. Okay. Same way for this one also, either this one or this one, or this one or this one. Okay. Now what are the second rule? Denominator and denominator can't be cut. That means this denominator and this denominator cannot be cutted, can't be cut. That means cannot be cut. Okay. This denominator, that means down we cannot cut, down up we can cut. It is the main thing. Down up we can cut, and down we cannot cut. Up we cannot cut. That means numerator and numerator, that means what? Up we cannot cut, can't be cut. Okay. And what are the last rule? You can cut the numbers by same factors only. Now how to cut the numbers? I am telling now that you have to cut the numbers. Now how to cut the numbers? You can cut the numbers by the same factors only, by the same factors only. So we will have an example to clear this conception. Okay. So first of all you will pause the video to note down these things, then we will proceed to the next thing. Now we have taken some examples. Okay. And you have to solve it. Suppose, so first question we are solving first. So what is the first question? We have to multiply these two fractions. Now whatever their mixed fraction or improper fraction or proper fraction, whatever the fraction there, okay, you have to use the same way to solve. Okay. So first of all, here 7 by 8 and here 16 by 14. Now you can see 7 and 8 can't be cut, but 7 and 14 can be cut, because 7 in the table of 7 we will get the 14. So 7 2 ja 14 we know. So that means here 7. Now we are cutting by 7. 7 1 ja 14, and here 7 2 ja 14. Okay. The same factor, that means the same factor of 14 and 7 is what? 7. That means 7 1 ja 7. Cutting means we are dividing. Okay. Cutting means what? We are dividing. So here 7 1 ja 7, and here 7 2 ja 14. Okay. Now you have to check this corner, that means this one and this one. So 8 and 16 can be cut. Yeah, 8 and 16 can be cut. So how to cut? Suppose we are cutting by 2, because 2 4 ja 8 and 2 8 ja 16 we know. So first of all 2 4 ja 8 we cut it, and 2 4 ja 8, and here 2 8 ja 16. Okay. 2 is the common factor. Now again we are cutting by 2 again. So 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, then again 2 and 4, again 2 1 ja 2, and 2 2 ja 4. Okay. Now 1 and 1, whenever we have got 1, so there nothing have to do. But here 2, here denominator 2 and numerator also 2, so this denominator and this numerator can be cut. So here it is 2 and here it is 2, yeah, it can be cut by 2. So 2 1 ja 2, and here also 2 1 ja 2. Now all the denominators and numerators you have got what 1. Now what have to do after cutting? What have to do after cutting? You have to multiply up and down. That means the upper number you have to multiply. That means this numerator will be multiplied with this numerator only. Okay, so here we have got 1 left after cutting, and here also we have got 1 left after cutting. So 1 into 1 is equals to what? 1 by. Now here in denominator also we have got what? 1 and 1. So 1 1 ja 1. Now 1 by 1 means we can write it 1 only. Okay, now this question. So what I have to do here? Same thing as we have done here. Same thing we have to do. So first of all you have to check if there is any mixed fraction. Whatever you are doing, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, whatever you are doing, whenever you will have the mixed fraction, so first work is what? You have to convert it to improper fraction. Okay, so first of all do convert it into improper fraction. 7 to the 14, 14 plus 5, that means what? 19 by 7 into now 14 by 7, 14 by 38, same as it is. Now we have to cut it. So 7 and 14 can be cut, 7 and 19 cannot be cut. So 7 and 14 can be cut. So 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14. Okay, now 2 and 38 can be cut. Yeah, and how do you think that 2 and 38 can be cut? You can see here 38, it's an even number, and even number means it's obviously will be cut by 2. Okay, so 2 1 ja 2 and 2 19 ja 38. Okay, now here 19 and here also 19. Now the common factor we have got 19, so 19 1 ja 19 and here 19 1 ja 19. Okay, so we have got what? Here 1 1, that means 1 into 1 1 1 1 ja 1, and 1 1 ja here also 1, that means here also we have got 1. No problem. Now we will see this problem. That means in this question or in this question we were having 2 fractions, but now here you have taken 3 fractions. So what is the first one? You have to check if there is any mixed fraction. So first of all you have to convert into improper fraction. So first of all here 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3 13 by 5, 5 2s are 10 plus 3 13 by 5 into 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 by 2 into, and here 1 by 9, same. Now you have to cut it. So you can see here 5 and 5 can be cut. So 5 1 ja 5 and 5 1 ja 5 also we have cut here by 5. Okay, now here 13 and 2 can't be cut, 13 and 9 also cannot be cut. So what I have to do? Whenever you are not having any number to cut, then what I have to do? Then what we have done here? Up multiply and down multiply. That means in the upper side all the numerators you have to multiply, and then in downside all the denominators you have to multiply. But denominator and numerator cannot be multiplied. Okay, डिनोमिनेटर को न्यूमरेटर के साथ कभी मल्टीप्लाई नहीं कर सकते. ऊपर से ऊपर में जो नंबर रहेगा वो ऊपर में मल्टीप्लाई होकर रह जाएगा, नीचे जो नंबर रहेगा वो नीचे मल्टीप्लाई होकर रह जाएगा. ओके, सो 13 into 1 into 1, 13 1 ja 13 into 1 again 13. Okay, now 2 1 ja 2 into 9, 9 2 ja 18. Now here 13 by 18 is the answer. Now if after, suppose you have got here proper fraction, no, but if you will get after cutting, if you will get improper fraction, suppose 18 by 13 you have got, then again you have to convert into it mixed fraction. Okay, do keep in your mind. So first of all, do pause the video to note it down, then we will go forward. Now we will know how to divide two fractions, how to divide two fractions. Okay, so what are the rules to divide the fractions? That means you have to use the same conception. You have to use the same conception as you have done for the multiplication. Same conception you have to do here. So first of all, whenever you are having the division, first of all, so first work is what? You have to change the divide sign into multiply. You have to change the divide sign into multiply. And how to change? Suppose here 5 by 2 divide 12 by 10. Now I told you first work is what? You have to change this divide sign into multiply. But whenever you will change this multiply sign into multiply, then the fraction which is having after this division, this fraction will be in reciprocal. Okay, will be reciprocal. That means which fraction? This fraction, the fraction which is having after the divide sign. Okay, not this fraction, not first fraction. The fraction which is having after the division sign, this fraction will be reciprocal after changing this sign into multiply. So first of all, what I have to do? You have to change this division sign into multiply. Even though you can see 2 and 12 can be cut, 5 and 10 can be cut, but we cannot cut it. Why? Because it is given divide sign. Whenever it is given the divide sign, then we cannot cut it like this. First of all, you have to convert this divide sign into multiply, then we can cut it. Okay, first of all we have to change this divide sign into multiply, then we can cut the fractions. Okay, so first of all this 5 by 2 will be same as it is. Okay, then this divide sign we are changing into multiply. This divide sign we have changed into multiply. Then whenever we have changed into multiplication, then the fraction which is lying after the division, this fraction will be reciprocal. And how to find reciprocal? That means just you have to take the opposite. That means here 12 by 10, that means you have to take 10 by 12. This is the reciprocal of 12 by 10. Okay, now you are having what? Multiply. Now you can cut the numbers if they will be cut. If they will be cut, then you can cut the numbers. So here this 1 and 2, that means 2 and 10 can be cut. 10 and 12 also can be cut. So you can cut anything. That means 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10. But here 5 and 5 both are the denominators, both are the numerators. That means you cannot cut 5 and 5. Okay, you can multiply 5 and 5 because 5 here 5 numerator, here 5 also numerator. So numerator and numerator cannot be cut. Already I told you in the rule. So this 5 and 12 also cannot be cut. So what I have to do? Up multiply, down multiply. So 5 into 5, that means what? 25. Now 12 into 1, 12. Now you have got what? Improper fraction. That means denominator is less than the numerator. So what have to do? You have to convert into mixed fraction again. So 12 2 ja 24, 1 by 12. This is the answer. Okay, so this question, same thing, same conception. What have to do? Whenever you are having the mixed fraction first, then you have to convert into improper fraction first. So first of all 6 2 ja 12 plus 1, 13 by 6, then divide sign 1 by 39. What you have done? We have changed, that means we have converted this mixed fraction into improper fraction only, and others all the things will be same as it is. Now divide sign means one thing, just only one thing. Divide sign means you have to convert into multiply, then you can cut, otherwise not. So 13 by 6, this one will be same, first fraction will be same. Now this divide sign we are changing into multiply. Then after changing multiply, this fraction will be reciprocal. So 1 by 39, that means it will be what? 39 by 1. Now you can see 39, and here in this line 39 and 13 can be cut, but here it is division, so you cannot cut it. Okay, and after changing multiply, you can see 39 now we are having in as numerator. 39 we are having as numerator and 13 also numerator. So 13 and 39 now cannot be cut. Okay, so 6 13 cannot be cut. 6 39, yeah, 6 and 39 can be cut. So 3 1 just 6, 3 2 just 6, we are cutting by 3. 3 2 just 6, 3 1 just 3, and 3 3 just 9. Now what I have to do? 2 13 cannot be cut. So what I have to do? Up up multiply, down down multiply. So 13 into 13, that means what? 169 by 2. Now this is improper fraction, so convert into mixed fraction. So 2 8 just 16 and 2 4 just 8, 1 by 2. This is the answer. So first of all, pause the video to note it down. Then we will have some combination example. That means multiplication and division combined. Okay, so pause the video to note it down. Now we have taken an example which is having multiplication and division together. Okay, which is having multiplication and division together. Now this thing you have to think what? It's an simplification. You have to do here what? Simplification. You have to simplify it. Okay, so what is the rule to simplify? Badmash rule, already I told you. Okay, and in this Badmash rule you can see divide. Divide is coming in front of multiplication. This divide is coming BIDE, here multiply. Already I have discussed about it. That means here D stand for what? Divide, and divide is coming in front of multiplication. That means whenever you are having division and multiplication, then at first you have to do what? You have to do divide. Whenever you will have divide and multiply together, division and multiplication together, then first of all you have to do the division, then after that you have to do the multiplication. Okay, so here you can see this two number, here multiply, here divide, here multiply. So you have to do what? Divide first you have to do. So this division, this divide sign you have to convert into multiply first. This divide sign you have to change into multiply first. But before doing it, first of all you can see these are given, some fractions are given mixed fraction. So this fraction first of all you have to convert into improper fraction. So 5 by 6, same. 2 1 ja 2 plus 2, 4 by 2. Divide 5 6 ja 30, 30 plus 3, 33 by 6, into 3 2 ja 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. Okay, now this multiply and this multiply will be same as it is first of all, and that time first of all you have to change this divide sign into multiply. So first of all 5 by 6 into 4 by 2. Now this division sign we are changing into multiply. That means the fraction which is lying after this division sign, only this fraction will be reciprocal. That means 6 by 33, and this fraction will be same as it is. That means after this one we are having multiply, and 7 by 3 will be same as it is. Okay, only this fraction will be changed and this fraction will be same as it is. Not all the fractions that you are having after the division, not all the fractions, only the fraction which is having after the division, this fraction only will be changed. Okay, now you are having all fractions are in multiplication. Now you can cut any denominator with any numerator, any denominator with any numerator. That means you can cut this 6 with this 6 also, you can cut this 4 with this 6 also, you can cut this 2 with this 6 also, as you wish, but up and down should be cut. This thing you have to keep in your mind. So first of all we are cutting this 6 and this 6. So 6 we are cutting by 6 here, 6 1 just 6 and 6 1 just 6. Now we are cutting what? This 4 and 2. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, cut it by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Now you can see here 7 3 cannot be cut, 7 33 cannot be cut, 5 33 cannot be cut. Now what I have to do? Up multiply, down multiply. So here 5 into 2 into 1 into 7. In numerator we have got 2 5 2 1 7, and in denominator we have got what? 1 1 33 3, 1 1 33 3. So 5 2 ja 10 into 7, 70. and here 33 into 3, 99. Okay, now some of you I think may have confusion little bit here. What is the confusion? Suppose I have cut it here 6 with this 6, but if I will cut this 6 with 4, will I get the same answer? Yeah. If you will cut this 6 with this 4, then you will get the same answer, and your process will be also same. Process will be also correct. This is not mandatory that this 6 you have to cut with this 6 only. It is not mandatory. I told you any denominator or any numerator you can cut, but you should keep in your mind only denominator and numerator can be cut, not denominator. Up cannot be cutted. Up can be multiplied only. Denominator down cannot be cut. Down can be multiplied only. Okay, this is the main thing you should keep remember in your mind. So these are the multiplication and division of the fractions, and in next video we will come with few further things about the fractions. And thank you for watching my video.